5 natural deodorants to say goodbye to under-arm odor. Deodorants have become one of the most widely used products in the world. After all, everybody wants to keep away unpleasant body odors. However, have you ever considered making your own natural deodorant? There are many different brands on the market that have won over consumers because of their effectiveness. The problem is that it's now been shown that many of its components can be toxic. In fact, some may be linked to the development of certain diseases. Fortunately, there are some 100 natural alternatives that can neutralize odor without unwanted side effects. They can be prepared at home and their ingredients are very easy to get hold of. Would you like to learn how to make them? 1. Baking soda and cornstarch natural deodorant. Baking soda is one of the natural ingredients can help do away with smelly armpits due to its antiseptic properties. Here, we combine it with cornstarch and some essential oils to enhance its benefits and make it easy to apply. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of baking soda, 100 grams. 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 100 grams. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 60 grams. 1 capsule of vitamin E. 10 drops of tea tree oil. 10 drops of lavender oil. How to make it? First, pour the baking soda in a bowl and mix it with the cornstarch and coconut oil. Then, when it gets a creamy texture, add the capsule of vitamin E and essential oils. After, pour the product in an airtight jar and make sure you cover it well to keep it in good condition. Use the amount needed to cover the armpits and apply it with a soft cloth. 2. Aloe vera and coconut oil natural deodorant. Both coconut oil and aloe vera gel have antibacterial properties that help to eliminate unpleasant body odors. In addition, both products stand out for their nutritional value that protects the skin. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel, 120 grams. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 30 grams. How to make it? First, mix the 2 ingredients in a blender and process until they are well mixed. Then, take the amount that you consider necessary and wipe it on your underarms. Repeat twice a day. 3. Baking soda and lemon deodorant. This paste, made from baking soda and lemon, doesn't just serve to get rid of the smell. In addition, it also helps to remove dead cells that accumulate in the armpits. It works as a natural clarifier. After several weeks of use, it reduces the dark appearance that normally appears on this area of skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 10 grams. The juice of 1/2 lemon. How to make it? First, moisten the baking soda with the juice of half a lemon and gently rub it over the desired area. Leave it to act for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Avoid exposure to the sun after applying to avoid marking the skin. 4. Lemon and apple cider vinegar deodorant. The natural acids in apple cider vinegar are excellent agents for neutralizing the pH of the skin and reducing odors. Combined with a little lemon juice, it makes a great homemade deodorant that's ideal for all types of skin. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 62 milliliters. Lemon juice, 62 milliliters. Water, 62 milliliters. 1 spray bottle. How to make it. Put all the ingredients in a spray bottle and shake so that everything mixes well together. Then, spray the required amount on the armpits and let it dry well before you get dressed. 5. Tea tree oil deodorant. The antibacterial qualities of tea tree oil make it a good alternative for getting rid of bad smells. However, it's always advisable to mix it with a soft ingredient to avoid irritating the skin. Ingredients: 20 drops of tea tree essential oil, 1 tablespoon rose water, 10 milliliters. Instructions: mix the 2 ingredients in a bowl and apply the mixture to your armpits using a piece of cotton. Repeat twice a day, 3 times a week. Remember that although the products here are based on natural ingredients, it's best to do a small test before fully using them. Stop using it if you notice any type of allergic reaction,